We're no longer in LA, we are in Hawaii. We have been here the last couple of days. We haven't filmed, unfortunately we had some bad news, so we've not been filming. But yesterday we did go and visit Moana. Moana.
So when you arrive at the Moana Falls, you get dropped to this car park here. If you're driving, it's £5 for parking. If you get dropped off, you get dropped off just behind the car park, and then you walk up straight to start the hike. If you are doing the hike, come prepared. Don't wear sliders on rainy days. Check the weather in the mountains, because the weather in the mountains is different to the weather in Waikiki Beach.
Luckily everything's really signposted, so as you come through, there is just a little bridge, so we're just going to follow it through.
And we made it to Moana Falls. It's really nice at this time of the year, well today, because there's been some rain. If there isn't rain, sometimes there can be nothing coming down from it. But if you can, walk around the side and try and get as close as possible, because you get much better views of it. There is a further hike above us, where I think you can get above the waterfall, but I don't think we're going to do that today because the rain apparently is a little bit too treacherous, and I am wearing sliders. Then you get back down from the hike, and that sunshine is back. Because it's up there, it's so tropical, the rain comes and goes, but literally walk down to the bottom and you're back in the glorious sunshine.
We're absolutely chuffed. It probably feels about 30 degrees once you've been up there in the cold.
Let's crack on with today. I've got my Aloha coffee and we're going to visit Lanikai Beach, which is meant to be one of the best beaches in Hawaii. You can get there by Uber or renting a car, but we're going to do it the Hawaiian way. We're going to get a bus, but apparently it takes a very long time. But before we go, we're going to go and get breakfast down at Aroma Cafe, which is meant to do the best acai bowls in Hawaii, and Hawaii is renowned for great acai bowls. Before I go down and have breakfast, Molly is having to iron my Hawaiian, that rhymes, iron my Hawaiian, because you can't go to the beach in Hawaii without a fresh Hawaiian on. Guys, that was lovely. We both went for the original, which was strawberries, banana, blueberries, granola, and like a frozen yogurt type thing. But it was really, really good. Highly recommend it. It's a little bit expensive. Like 2 of them come to about $20, which is quite a lot.
But they're quite big, aren't they?
They're big, but you've got to have one when you come to Hawaii.
So we're now waiting to get the bus. We've got an option of 5. We've missed one because I didn't know which side of the road to get it on. But I think we're finally at the right stop. So we're going to get one of the buses to somewhere called Moana Centre, and then we've got a transfer, and then we can take that to near Lanikai Beach, and then we've got a transfer to another bus. Hopefully we'll get there soon.
And it costs about $5.50 for the whole day pass. You can ride as many buses as you want, and to get around Hawaii you've got to ride a lot of buses because they don't go direct and they go at their pace, so it's really slow, but this is all part of the experience. $11.
Brilliant, thank you. Will you let us know when to start?
So we've just managed to get off the first bus. It's a little bit hectic. We didn't know the right stop to get off, but we've made it. Part 1 of 3 complete. So once you've got to the Moana Centre, you have to get the 57 or the 57A towards Lanikai. So we made it. Just got off the second bus and we get dropped in Karula town.
Yep.
And we got to get the number 70 to Lanikai Beach, but the second one was a lot better. As soon as you're out of Waikiki, the bus flows, doesn't it? It goes really quick. Okay, so we made it to Kailua, but the only problem is the more rural areas on the island, the buses only run hourly, so we're not going to be able to get the bus the whole way there because we can't bother to wait for an hour and a half. So we're going to get an Uber, but that's only about $5 from here, whereas from the hotel it's 50.
Right, so the Uber driver has just stopped somewhere here. We're coming. Hello. So that was much quicker than expected, wasn't it?
5 minutes later in the Uber.
And we are at Lanikai Beach.
The lady was telling us you've got to be really careful here because for some reason the UV rating is higher than anywhere else on the island.
So we're probably going to get very red. She also said, which I thought was really interesting, that the beach is essentially man-made because the sea takes all the sand back out again, so they have to keep refilling it back up.
So we found the perfect spot. This beach is just beautiful and the water, the colours are incredible.
It's so blue. The only thing is there is in the shallow bit loads of coral, so you have to be a little bit careful.
Finally in the sea. This is beautiful. The colour of the ocean here is ridiculous. And you've got the little twin islands there behind us, and you can take a canoe out and go to one of them. One of them you're allowed on, the other one it is illegal to go on. I'm not sure we're going to do that today. Be the most beautiful beach
ever
I have ever been to, like ever. Only issue, everything near it's residential, so there's no places to eat or anything like that.
No food.
So we've got to walk along the beach for about, I don't know, maybe nearly a mile to find the nearest restaurant because we need to refuel before we do this Pillbox hike. So we've sacked off the idea of food.
Too far. It was like 15 minutes back and then 15 minutes back again. We're just gonna go for it. Yeah, we're gonna walk there now and just go for it. If we pass out, we pass out. We're dressed inappropriately for a hike again, but we managed it yesterday in sliders, so let's see how this one goes. So we're trying to find the entrance, should I say, or the trail, the start of the trail, so that we can start this hike, but can't seem to find it, and I'm already out of breath. As you can see, we've made it onto the Pillbox hike. It's just at the start now. It's definitely a lot harder than the Manoa Falls one yesterday. Definitely. It's a lot steeper. Again, sliders not a great idea, but we'll see if it gets any harder on the way up.
mate. If that don't motivate ya, I don't know what will. If a sausage dog can make it up here, us two have got to make it. So made it to the top, and the views up here are incredible. You can see all along the shoreline. It is amazing, and it's really not that hard. We made it in sliders. It's a little bit harder near the top. You just got to let the views do the talking up here. So we made it down, we're alive.
Just.
Molly nearly fall over about 5 times. I wish I got it on camera, it was so funny. You should have seen her on the way down, it was brilliant.
You can't film and watch where you're going all at the same time. but
it was good fun.
Was good.
Recommend it to anyone. It's mediocre, it's not too hard, it's not too easy. I think most people will be able to do it. If we'd done it in sliders, you could definitely do it.
Just wear trainers.
Just wear trainers, but we're knackered. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get some food and chill.
And we're back.
So we have a Hawaiian beer, 8%, very strong. I think that's needed off that journey back. I can definitely see what they mean when they say on Hawaiian time.
Definitely.
But it's worth it. Get a bus at least once when you're in Hawaii. You've got to, just for the experience itself. Like on the way there, it didn't take that long at all.
No.
And by doing part bus, part Uber, we saved nearly $70 for the all-round trip.
Yeah, so you can't go wrong. And to be honest, the day pass was only $5 for each, so each $5 each. So we got 6 buses for $5. So we're very tired now though, aren't we?
So we're gonna sit back, have a couple of beers, and then hit up Waikiki tonight. Life's tough in Hawaii. So guys, we are off out into Waikiki. But hold on. You are not coming with us. So guys, be sure to subscribe because we're loving Hawaii and this is just the start out here. Drop a comment and keep on dabbling.